Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on a 24 Dark Horse Mustang. We installed a Whipple Stage 2 Supercharger. It's a manual car running 93 octane. Also set of Kooks long tube headers. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, if you have any questions as you're watching this, leave a comment. Happy to answer. I will put links on this kit in the description so you can open it, read a lot more about it. But here's what we have. Stage 2 Whipple Supercharger. Stage 2, you get the big 112 throttle body. If you buy the Stage 1, comes the 92 that comes on a GT500. Of course, everyone gets this air induction system. The kits are pretty much the same, Stage 1 and Stage 2, besides the throttle body and the Stage 2 hotter calibration. Coming in over 12 pounds of boost. I think it's 12.9. This car laid down 430 of the tires stock. We're going to watch this dyno pull, see what it makes, but also Kooks long tube headers with high flow cats. Check out this dyno pull. All right, manual, 93 octane. Here we have it. Stock, car made 431 raw horse with the blower. Check this out. 794 at 7,800 RPM. Stock 365 torque, 577 with the blower, and boosts came in at peak 12.9 at right around 8,000 RPM. Check this out. I want to show you this. Awesome graphs. DynoJet SAE, smoothing 5, but stock. We let off right around 7,200. Look at the difference just right here. Over 300 rural horsepower. Torque, well over 200 torque. And like I said, that boost peaked at 12.9. Oh, cool setup. Dark Horse Mustang manual. This thing is going to rip. Actually still has the dealer plate on the back. So our client just bought this. Came straight from the dealer for the Whipple. We had them in stock. Have any questions, leave a comment. We're in Indiana. You can email quote@brentspeed.com. Hey, what's this cost to get installed? We can let you know, or we can ship them right to your door. Thanks for watching.